How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the farm. It's a beautiful spring morning and October's just hit, and luckily it started to warm up around here. The other night we cut and raked a bit of the field, so me and Stephen thought today we'll get out there and try and bale up a bit of this field today and maybe clear ourselves a bit of land for a bit of fun. Oh, but first thing on my mind this morning is I thought I'd make myself a morning coffee, go see if I can find my mate Brucey, and me and Stephen thought we'll get out and do a bit of early morning exercise. So let's get today started.
Moto life.
Good morning, Brucey. So like normal guys, Brucey's here to join me for my morning cuppa. What's up? You ready for another day, Brucey? So I boiled the billy, spent a bit of time with Brucey, so I reckon it's about time to go drag the old 250 out, do a couple of stretches and get a bit of exercise this morning. So the good thing about having a property this size means you've got heaps of room and you've got plenty of options when it comes down to exercise. This morning, me and Stephen decided we're going to hit a bit of cardio, meaning we're going to try and use our whole body for a prolonged amount of time. And the way we're going to do it is, I reckon we might get the old 250 out, and so because I've decided to do a bit of endurance today, one thing that's really important before I start doing anything is really remember to stretch. You really don't want to be going out there and have all the muscles cold, because that way you might pull something or really injure yourself. So get my stretches done and then we'll get out there and get some good old exercise. Oh, so first thing we decided is we're going to go grab Min Min and lock her in the shed here. Yeah, that's right, we're taking over her pen. We're going to do a couple of old lappies and see if we can go pop her up. You know, her pen's got a nice uphill, so it's really easy to slap your butt on the back of the bike and give her a bit of bop and the thing just pops straight up for you. It's time to see if I can get myself a couple of wheelies, eh? See if I can get it up for once.
That's what she said.
So last time you guys saw the YZ, it had a bit of front fairing and the clutch handle wasn't missing so much, but she still runs perfectly. It's all cosmetic. It just means that the old girl's getting ready for a service. I tell you what, bro, she's looking pretty shocking at the moment.
Yeah, she's in dire need of service and a makeover.
Oh, well, let's get her out. Okay.
He loves my bike a little bit too much. I think I'm going to have to put a band on him. I don't know how else to say, brother. Sorry, but get your own fucking bike.
there you go guys, a bit of early morning exercise. I don't actually reckon it was a bad run. Got a good workout. My hands are literally sore as, my back's sore as. I'm absolutely buggered at the moment. And I still got to get plenty of work done today. So the other week when we cut the wheat, we basically laid it to rest in these lines here. And the plan today is come along with the old tractor and we're going to chuck the old baler attachment on the back. And what that's going to do is that's going to suck up all these lines of hay and it's going to bale them all together. So now all the hay's kind of dried out around here. We've got the tractor and we've attached the baler to the back. And what that thing does, it comes along and it sucks up all of this hay that's been chopped lately. And pretty much the end result is it chucks out one of these big bales all wrapped up in this blue string. So after we've baled all this up, we're basically going to collect it all and ship it all out of here. And then me and Steve have got this whole paddock to ourselves. What could we get up to? Time to go finish her off and get our day done. There you go guys, all in a day's work. Only taking a couple of hours and in a couple more hours the truck will be here to pick up all the hay. That way we can clear out the property. I reckon after that I might get the old Commodore out and give her a bit of a burn in the old paddock. They don't call it a paddock basher for nothing. Well, there you go guys, the hay's all gone. I don't reckon we've done a bad job today. Well, this year we reaped just over a truckload and we've sent the first load out and we'll just wait for her to get back and we'll finish off. Alright, so this morning guys, I kind of found the old commie looking like this. So we've been bashing the Commodore a little bit too much lately. Kind of broke the windscreen, lost a couple of mirrors and she's kind of covered in dents now. Got a little bit too wet out there. Check this out. The dash has literally fallen off, the glove box is coming apart. Still starts. We'll go punt the wheels up too. Definitely a paddock basher now. You gonna take some more fences out?
Some more what?
Take a couple more fences out?
Yeah, if I can.
Man, there's dents all over her.
Nah, she's still good. We've got to find a way to put full drive suspension on this, bro. How much you reckon?
How much is it up to?
32, man.
What does it sound tire?
It doesn't. That's good enough. I'll put it to 35.
You just don't want to overdog. Yeah, 35 should be good. Turn the compressor off.
Yep, unplugging. Somehow I dialed up in my pocket. Oh yeah, she bone dry. She's thirsty. We'll do a lap in this on the tube now. But it's probably pumped up. It's supposed to be like a brand new battery under like 7 years old.
Got a bug in my eye. Oh.
Yeah, it happens, bruh. Hold on. Wait, bro, that's not available. As soon as you went under the tree, it said not available.
Damn, bro.
Oh, you jumped into the gutter then. Whoa. There's a fence there. So do you reckon I'm gonna get my peas after this, instructor? Yeah, I think you're gonna bitch that there. Are you okay to drive, mate?
He does not like that dust. Sorry, Brucey.
Bit dusty, eh?
The whole yard is just dusted out, bro.
Whoops. Wasn't nice.
Sorry. Nah, not sorry. That was awesome. Well, it's been a pretty good afternoon. Unfortunately, the Commodore's starting to warm up a little bit, so we're going to take a little bit of a break and maybe go get the old barbecue on the fire and see what there is to eat. You got anything killer to eat tonight?
Maybe find out what we got in the freezer.
I reckon steak. Steak's always for the win.
That would sound good, but didn't we have that last one?
Always steak, bro. Always steak. Remember, guys, in Australia, always steak. Well, thanks for watching for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching us clean up all the hay and have a bit of fun out on the yard, but we're going to have to wrap it up tonight and let you guys go. All right, well, you guys stay awesome and have a great day.
Make sure to subscribe.
And drop a like. Palia.
It's not every day you get to see Brian stack it into a fence, but when it happens, it's legendary.